You are going to love the 2011 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, privacy glass, luggage rack, tires front all season, tires rear all season. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.